Keeping your home and family safe is a top priority for Lafayette homeowners. While security systems and cameras play a role, the first and most important line of defense is your entry door. Older doors can weaken over time, developing structural flaws, worn locks, or gaps that make them easier targets for intruders. That's why many Lafayette residents are choosing modern door replacement as a smart and effective way to enhance home security. Today's replacement doors are designed with advanced materials, improved construction, and upgraded locking systems that provide stronger protection and greater peace of mind. Here's how modern door replacement improves security for Lafayette homes. Stronger materials that resist forced entry. Older doors, especially hollow core or aging wood doors, can crack, warp, or splinter under pressure. Modern replacement doors are built using materials engineered for strength and durability. Popular security-focused materials include steel doors, offering excellent resistance to impact. Fiberglass doors, combining strength with moisture-resistant. Solid composite cores, providing dense, reinforced construction. These materials make it significantly harder for intruders to force entry, adding an important layer of protection to your home. Advanced locking systems for enhanced protection. Modern door replacement includes upgraded locking hardware designed to withstand tampering and forced entry. Many doors now come equipped with multi-point locking systems that secure the door at several points along the frame. Security benefits include increased resistance to prying and kicking, stronger engagement between door and frame, reduced stress on a single lock point, greater overall door stability. Lafayette homeowners gain confidence knowing their door locks more securely than older designs. Reinforced frames eliminate common weak points. A door is only as strong as its frame. In many older homes, the frame becomes a vulnerability due to wood rot, settling, or outdated construction methods. Modern door replacement often includes reinforced door frames, heavy-duty strike plates, longer screws anchored into wall studs, stronger hinge systems. These improvements significantly strengthen the entire entry system, not just the door itself. Impact-resistant glass options improve safety. Many homeowners want natural light in their entryway, but traditional glass inserts can be a security concern. Modern doors offer impact-resistant and laminated glass options that are designed to withstand force. These glass features resist shattering under impact, stay intact even if cracked, deter break in attempts to maintain visibility and light. This allows Lafayette homeowners to enjoy style and safety at the same time. Smart technology adds modern security convenience. Today's replacement doors can be paired with smart security technology, offering added protection and convenience. Popular features include smart locks with keypad or biometric access, remote locking and monitoring via smartphone, integrated doorbell cameras, motion-activated lighting compatibility. These upgrades allow homeowners to monitor and control access to their home from anywhere, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Professional installation ensures maximum security. Even the strongest door won't provide full protection if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures every security feature works as intended. Expert installers align doors precisely within the frame, secure hinges and locks, properly seal gaps that could weaken. Security test locking systems for full engagement. Proper installation prevents vulnerabilities that could compromise safety. Increased home value and peace of mind. Modern door replacement not only improves security, it also increases home value and curb appeal. Buyers in Lafayette appreciate homes with updated security features, durable construction, and modern design. Most importantly, homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their family and belongings are better protected. A safer Lafayette home starts at the front door. Modern door replacement offers Lafayette homeowners a powerful upgrade in home security. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and professional installation, today's doors provide far more protection than older models. If you're looking to enhance your home's security while improving style and value, modern door replacement is a smart investment that delivers confidence and comfort every day.